In this tutorial, we're going to look at how to utilize the typewriter tool to add text to a PDF. We're going to use Adobe Acrobat. We're going to go to the Tools drop-down menu and select Typewriter. First, I'm going to show the typewriter toolbar. The typewriter toolbar will allow us to select the font we want to use and the size. Also allows spacing and so forth like that. So I'm going to go back to Tools, and now I'm going to select under Typewriter drop-down menu. I'm going to actually select the typewriter tool. I will then place my cursor to where I want to begin the text, and at this point I can change the font that I want to use. I'm going to change this to Aramond, and let's go with a 14 point. Okay, well, I'm just going to start typing in the text that I want to add. And I can also select that text that I've done here and change it a little bit. I can change the font if I want to change it to a different font type or size. I can do that right away. So it's very easy, as you see, using Adobe Acrobat to add text to your document.